To set up Semrush Social Media Toolkit, start by logging into your Semrush account and navigating to the Social Media tab. Here you will find tools to manage and optimize your social media presence. First, connect your social media profiles by clicking on the Add Profile button and selecting the social media platform you want to connect. You will be redirected to the social media platform where you will be asked to authorize Semrush to access your account. Once you have connected your profiles, you can start tracking your social media performance using the Social Media Tracker tool. This tool allows you to monitor your followers, engagement, and content performance across different social media platforms. Next, use the Social Media Poster tool to schedule and publish your social media content. This tool allows you to create and schedule posts in advance, which can help you save time and increase your productivity. You can also use the Social Media Analytics tool to analyze your social media performance and identify areas for improvement. This tool provides detailed insights into your social media engagement, content performance, and audience demographics. To get the most out of the Social Media Toolkit, it is essential to set up social media audits. These audits allow you to track your social media performance over time and identify trends and patterns in your data. Finally, use the Social Media Toolkit to compare your social media performance with that of your competitors. This can help you identify gaps in your social media strategy and make data-driven decisions to improve your social media presence. By following these steps, you can set up Semrush Social Media Toolkit and start optimizing your social media presence. Remember to regularly monitor your social media performance and adjust your strategy accordingly to achieve your social media goals.